I will make it. This has turned into a bloody Arctic exploration. Oh. So I managed a successful bus journey today without crashing into anything. We finally made it to the Hungarian Parliament building actually today. It's quite an impressive building. Look at this. That statue in the distance there. They actually used 40 kilos of 24 karat gold for the interior of this place. Weather is absolutely dreadful today, as you can probably tell. It's absolutely bitter cold, throwing it down with rain, but the gale force winds as well just to add to it. Construction of this place took nearly 20 years. Completed in, I think, 1904 or something like that. Make it a quick one though, because we're actually heading to a bus trip today that goes on the water as well. So we've got about half an hour to look around it. Oh my god. This is bloody terrible. It's actually the largest building in Hungary as well. It consists in, I think, of 691 rooms. Including all that lot. We're just approaching the edge of the river now. This guy looks like a happy old chap, look. Well, anyway, it appears I've lost the family. I've just tried ringing them, but they're not answering. There's that bus here, look. That does not look right, does it? I think the bus took the wrong turn. I need to dry out and warm up, I think. It is about 3 degrees here today, blowing an absolute gale. Oh my god, look at this bus. Bloody tipping over. I'm not so sure I want to go. I've just realised I'm walking down the bloody road. I will make it. This has turned into a bloody Arctic exploration. Wow. Right. Definitely now see you at the bus. I've had enough of this. I want to go home. So, finally made it to the bus / boat trip. We're just waiting for it to pick us up now. That was an absolute nightmare in that weather. Look at these seats just here. Look. Interesting, aren't they? Right, I'll see you on the bus anyway. Finally made it to the bus after the whole deal. Should be leaving in a minute.
Sollte ich auch auf Deutsch sprechen? Ja? Ja, guten Tag.
Here we go. So we're going into the water now.
river, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the splash. Is everybody alright? Are you okay?
There's a fanny. So that concludes the end of our trip. We're just about to get out the water now. Up the ramp. Be a bit of a bumpy one. Made it.
So welcome on the mainland again, ladies and gentlemen. Now we are going back to our starting point.
So there we have it. That concludes our excursion down the River Danube on a bus. Anyway, yeah, what a day it's been with that bloody weather earlier. Right, heading back to the hotel for some food now, and then we're going to get ready because we're going to some swimming baths or something later on. Sounds like fun. See you later. Just arrived back at the hotel. Thought I'd give you a little bit of a look around. It's called the Adina Apartment and Hotel, I think. I'll just give you a little look around. This is our living room area. Dining room table. Bit of like a reception area. Kitchen. Comes with its own fridge and mini bar, as you can see there. Oven, dishwasher, microwave. It's got pretty much everything you need, to be honest. And if we come just around here, you can even see a bit of a toilet. Our shower room, me, just here. Second shower room for the second bedroom. And this is our master bedroom with, I'm pretty sure that's a king size bed. It looks pretty large. Nice double wardrobe and a second balcony over here. If we just have a quick look out here. More view. And then if we go back inside again, I have to take you through to this second bedroom. This one comes with 2 single beds. So yeah, quite an impressive place actually. If you want to stay in Budapest, I do recommend this place. Ah yeah, one thing I didn't show you. In this bathroom here, just hidden behind these doors here, you would get a washing machine and a sink for washing whatever, really, washing whatever you want. So yeah, there you have it. The Adina Apartment Hotels.